Welcome to another PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to wire an electric lock and the most common mistakes people make. A lot of people try to control electric locks using a relay board, but this is often not possible. The relay board usually has a solenoid relay, which is designed to work with alternating current, not direct current. So if you're trying to control a 12-volt lock with it, it might seem to work at first. When you open the lock, it will indeed open. However, after closing it, the lock will stay in the open position. No matter what you do, as you can see, the lock won't close again. There are two possible solutions to this problem. The first is to replace the solenoid relay with a mechanical relay, which we recommend if you want to power the lock separately, since electric locks are usually high-power devices. However, in our case, since the lock is not a high-power device, we can simply remove the relay board and wire the lock directly to the PIERRE output. Once that's done, the lock will work perfectly. It can be turned on and off easily and more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.